Hello, in front of me I've got Pulsar X3. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to PC. To connect your mouse to PC, consider two options. Firstly, you can connect it via cable, thanks to which you will maintain stable connection and charging at the same time. Next, you can connect your mouse to PC via this transmitter. Make sure that the transmitter is connected to this adapter and this adapter is close to your mouse. Now, the USB cable connects to the PC . And now connect it to adapter. Turn the mouse on and enter dongle pairing mode. Mouse should automatically connect to the dongle. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.